Welcome back to Specific Auto, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you here, and we're excited to share with you the latest information on the Lexus LFA 2025. As a valued member of our community, we want to thank you for your continued support and enthusiasm. Your passion for cars is what drives us to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information on the world's most incredible vehicles. At Specific Auto, we're dedicated to providing you with the most comprehensive and engaging content possible. From in-depth reviews and test drives to breaking news and exclusive insights, we're committed to helping you stay ahead of the curve when it comes to all things automotive. So, whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of automobiles, we're honored to have you as part of our community. Now, let's dive into the latest information on the Lexus LFA 2025. The Lexus LFA is a legendary supercar that was first introduced in 2010. With its powerful V10 engine, rear-wheel drive layout, and sleek design, the LFA quickly became a favorite among car enthusiasts. Although the original LFA was discontinued in 2012, rumors have been circulating about a potential successor. According to recent reports, the Lexus LFA 2025 is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain, combining a high-performance V8 engine with an advanced electric motor. This setup is rumored to produce over 1,000 horsepower, making the LFA 2025 one of the most powerful production cars on the market. In terms of design, the LFA 2025 is expected to feature a sleek and aerodynamic body, with a focus on reducing weight and improving downforce. The interior is likely to be equipped with the latest technology and luxury features, including a high-resolution infotainment system and premium leather upholstery. As for pricing, the Lexus LFA 2025 is expected to be a highly exclusive and expensive vehicle, with a potential price tag of over $1 million. However, for those who are lucky enough to get their hands on one, the LFA 2025 promises to be an unforgettable driving experience. As with any new vehicle, we'll be keeping a close eye on the Lexus LFA 2025 and bringing you all the latest updates, reviews, and insights. So, be sure to stay tuned to Specific Auto for all the latest news and information on this exciting new supercar. Thank you for being part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more exciting content with you in the future.